Okay, Mathe Set 1 given out on 21st July. This is question 5. Okay, now this question is quite common for PSLE. It tests you on the basic idea of number and value. That means they have two separate sets of numbers, or one is number, and one is value, and you try to match them together. So let's go through this. Some scouts prepare 1,316 prizes for their game store. So total is 1,316. Each stuffed toy costs $1.10. So stuffed toy is $1.10, which was 11/6 of the cost of a lollipop. So in this case, lollipop would be how much? I know 11 units belong to the stuffed toys. Okay, so 11 units is 110. So I know that this is 6 for lollipop. So 6 units is 110 divided by 11 times 6, which will give you 60 cents. So I know that lollipop costs 60 cents. Okay, next, the ratio, forgot this line. Each lollipop costs 2/3 as much as a puzzle. So for the puzzle, the lollipop costs 2/3. So in this case, 2 units equals to 60 cents. 3 units, which is for the puzzle, is 60 cents divided by 2 times 3, which will give you 90 cents. Okay, so the puzzle actually costs 90 cents. As I was saying right at the start of the question, two separate ideas here, number and value. This case, it is value. Okay, this is the value of each item. Do not confuse it with the actual number. This is the total number. Okay, this is the value of each individual item here. The stuffed toy, the lollipop, and the puzzle. Okay, two separate things. Next, let's find the actual number. Okay, the number of stuffed toy to lollipop to puzzle is 5:3:6. Okay, 5:3:6. Okay, now total number of units will be 5U plus 3U plus 6U. You will get 14U. This 14U is the actual number. So in this case, it is represented by 1,316. 1U is 1,316 divided by 14, which will give you 94. Let's find the total number of stuffed toy. Stuffed toy is 94 times 5, which will give you 470. Okay, now this is for stuffed toy. But that's not it. I know that at the very end, I want to find the total cost of the prizes. Total cost of the prizes. So in this case, I know that the stuffed toys, I have 470 of them, and each one costs 110. So let's find the actual value of it first. 470 times 110 equals to 517. Okay, 517. Okay, next, lollipops, 94 times 3, this is the actual number, 94 times 3, 282. Okay, so the value of this will be 282. How much is the lollipop? 60 cents again. So 60 cents, $169.20. Do not forget the zero behind because we are counting money here. Okay, last one, puzzles. The puzzle 6 times 94 equals to 564. Okay, so 564 times 90 cents equals to $507.60. Once again, the zero, don't forget that. Okay, very last part, what do? We simply add up the total value of the items, which is 517 plus 169.20 plus 5 1,007.60. Okay, what do we get? 169.2 plus 517. We get 1,193.80 cents. So this is the cost. The total cost is 1193.80. There we have it. Next, question 6. Okay, this is a very standard unit and parts question that we have been doing in class since last semester. So how do we do it? It gets quite simple if you understand the idea that we balance it out so that we can compare them. Okay, then we compare them using the dark side and the light side idea. Okay, so let's start. Question 6. The ratio of the number of origami figures that Siu Li had to the number of origami figures that Valerie had was 2:3. So Siu Li to Valerie is 2 units to 3 units. Okay. Next, Siu Li folded another 32 origami figures. So plus 32. Okay, because she added 32. And Valerie gave away 10. Then Siu Li had 4/5 as many origami figures as Valerie had. Now, right off at the start, I know this is new unit and parts, because after reading this, I know that the 4/5 here cannot compare to a 2/3 here. Okay, I cannot compare them. There's no way I can compare them because they are 2 different sets. So because of that, I have units and parts. Okay, because units can measure with units, can compare with units. Parts can only compare with parts. We cannot mix them up. Okay, so in this case, I know I have to make my parts the same so that I can compare basically just the units. So in this case, I times 4 times 5. Okay, this one times 4, I have 20p. This one times 5, I have 20p as well. So I know they become the same. Times 4 minus 40 times 4, 12u, times 5, 10u, times 5, 160 plus. So what are the 2 separate things I have? First, I have 10 units plus 160 equals to 20p. Okay, this is from here. Okay, this is from here. Then I have the second part, which would be 12u minus 40 equals to 20p. Okay, and as you can tell, this is from here. Okay, what next? Very good. We can equate them to each other because basically they are the same. Okay, what next? Comparison. We compare them to see which one is smaller and we bring over. In this case, 10u, 12u, which is smaller? This. Okay, this is smaller, so I bring it over here. 160 plus minus 40. This is of course smaller, so I bring them over. Dark side, light side. If it's plus, it becomes minus. If it's minus, it becomes plus. So what do I get? 160 plus 40 equals to 12u minus 10u. 200 equals to 2u. Okay, now once I get this, I can just swap around. 1u is 200 divided by 2 equals to 100. Okay, so I know that 1 unit is 100. 1 unit is 100. Okay, so I basically nearly solved my question here because the last part is quite simple. How many origami figures did Valerie have left? How many origami figures did Valerie have left? Valerie right at the start have 3 units. Okay, not 12. Don't mix this up. This is a fake number. Okay, the actual number is 3. So 3 units is 100 times 3 equals to 300. 300 minus 10 equals to 290. So Valerie had 290 origami left. Oops, sorry. And that's it.